Subscribe to the Technical Minute with Animation and press the bell icon to get the new video coming first.
Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about two different phones that look alike. Looking at this video till last. Hello friends, my name Manoj Madhavi, you are watching Technical Manoj with Animation. Let's go to start. Friends are the first phone to go about Samsung Galaxy Fold. You buy Samsung Galaxy Fold for the first time, you will find something like this. In this you get Samsung Galaxy Fold, Bluetooth earphone, charger, cover phone in two parts, SIM case tools and USB adapter. Come on the phone side, get it in. In this you get two display screen and 6 camera. Front side display size, 4.6. and 1 camera size, 10MP selfie camera. When you open, a tablet will look like display size, 7.3, and 2 camera size, 10MP selfie camera, 8MP RGB depth camera. Get backwards, 3 camera size, 16MP ultra camera, 12MP wide angle camera, 12 telephone camera, and LED light. Come to the feature. Operating system, Android 9.0 Pie. Talk about the battery. The dual battery is 4380 mAh, 4235 mAh. Internal memory, 512 GB. Expandable memory, up to 256 GB. Fingerprint sensor, available. SIM size, nano and dual SIM available. Network, 3G, 4G available, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Friends are the second phone to go about Huawei Mate X. In this you get 1 display screen and 3 camera. Front side display size, 6.6 inches, resolution of 2480x1148, back panel of 6.38 inches with resolution of 2480x892, and 3 camera size, 40MP wide angle camera, 16MP ultra wide camera, 8MP telephone camera, and LED light. Power button. When you open, a tablet will look like display size, 8-inch, with resolution of 2480x2200. Talk about selfie camera, does not have a special front camera. Come to the feature. Operating system, Android 9.0, Pie. SIM size, nano and dual SIM. Internal memory, 512 GB. Expandable memory, up to 256 GB. Fingerprint sensor, available. Network, 2G, 3G, 4G, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, available. Processor, octa-core, 2.6 GHz, dual core, Cortex A76 plus 192 GHz, dual core, Cortex A76 plus 18 GHz, quad core, Cortex A55. Talk about the cost of both phones. If you want, I'll you the answer for the command.